I'm the director of analytics at Established to Run. It's a content website where we give our subscribers advice on how to play different fantasy sports games and how to do different sports betting. And my job is the kind of projections guy. So I'm the one who's helping us predict player level performance. So it's a really, quantitative based approach. We're not doing like, I feel like Patrick Mahomes is going to throw for a lot of yards this week. That's not really how we do things. It is quantitative approach. So some of the things that we're looking at, like that I learned from school, for example, is understanding the issues and impact of different sample sizes on things, because we need to figure out, sports is a really noisy area, and we got to figure out where the signal is. So understanding sample sizes is really important. So if we're projecting, Patrick Mahomes passing yards, again, going back to that example in the Super Bowl, we kind of need to have a baseline level of where his talent is, and we get that by understanding, his previous sample sizes and understanding regression to the mean and those sorts of concepts. And a basic one is just understanding the difference between mean and median and different distributions. That's really important. I'm going to keep using the same example just because it helps the time. But for Patrick Mahomes, if we think he's going to have a mean projection of 290 passing yards, for our subscribers who are betting prop bets on the Super Bowl, there'll be, they can take aside the prop bet might be, is he going to get over 280 or under 280? And understanding that our mean projection, our median projection can be different, because the distribution isn't normal. So that's something that's really important. Understanding correlations is really important in what we do. So in those instances that Patrick Mahomes does throw for over 280 yards, what does that mean for the wide receivers that he's throwing to? And then also understanding how different stats correlate to one another to help us predict that future performance. So, how often does Patrick Mahomes throw the ball down the field and how far is he throwing it down the field? That's going to correlate to his average yards per passing attempt, which helps us come up with that projection.
So I hear a lot of statistics.
Yes.